So I've just been cleaning up the videos on my YouTube channel to make it look a little bit neater and easier for people to navigate. And what I noticed was I wanted to change some of the names of my playlists, but I couldn't seem to find where to edit the names. So I had a look on YouTube and all the tutorials on it were outdated and old, and it was the old version of YouTube, so it doesn't apply anymore. So I thought, right, I'll try again. And eventually I managed to find it. So to save you some time, I thought I'd make this quick video to show you how to edit the names of playlists on YouTube. So let's jump in and have a look. Right, so the first thing you want to do is head over to your icon in the top right corner and then click your channel, and that'll take you to your channel page. Obviously, go to YouTube Studio Beta, whatever you want to call it. And then on the left hand side, this is where I was trying to do it here, going on videos or going to playlists, but it just wasn't coming up. So you go on other features, just hover over it, don't click on it. Playlists is quite easy actually once you know how. These are your listed playlists here. All you got to do is click next to the one that you want to edit. So for example, this one, click edit. And then over here under the play all tab, click edit, and then that's it. Click on your title, change your title. Bosh, done. Sorted. Simple as that. Super quick and simple. Press enter, saves, and then when you go over to your playlist again, look over here, there we go, it's there. Bosh, done. Now let me just cancel this screen recording. So hopefully that saved you some time. Thank you for watching the video, and please like and comment if you have any questions or if you want to know how to do anything else, and please subscribe. Thank you.